Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, I am good.
Okay, so you were on the installation process, how to install the Power BI.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, I will continue from there. Okay.
okay, no issue, sir.
Even though you already know how to install the Power BI and you have intermediate level of knowledge, this session will be helpful for you because we are using ChatGPT prompts in it. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Sir, if you create any kind of dashboard in the Power BI, so you use Figma as well for creating it more interactive.
We use some of the existing dashboards references. Okay, we don't use
Okay,
UI related softwares because that is now old fashioned. Okay, so yeah, I will answer everyone questions after the session over. Okay, yeah, let me continue my session. Right, so these are all the questions we have to address, and this is the data set overview about what is that data set and why it is and some details. And we have this is the input file. Here we have this many tables. So we have to load these all tables and we have to understand this data by reading this one and we have to perform this task. So for that, I don't want to do this all and I wanted to do very quickly and very innovatively. So what I can do, I have prepared this one for here uh, for uploading this file into the ChatGPT. Okay, so here this is the loan lending dashboard, so requirement, and this one I have taken from this file, dataset overview. And here all tables information from the Excel file. I have taken some snips and loaded here. Okay, so after that I have added the task list, these questions. Okay, so these are the things I have prepared based on the requirements. So I will keep this to the ChatGPT to take help of the ChatGPT to perform the Power BI dashboard. Okay. So before that, what I wanted to load this Excel files information into the my Power BI. After that, I will ask what is the how to do the data modeling and how to do the DAX and what are the visuals we have to use for performing these tasks. Okay. So for adding new data to the Power BI, we can do from get data, but I will always go for the transform data. This opens a Power Query editors. Power Query editor is the ETL tool. So here we will extract the data, transform the data, and load the data. Okay. Here we have to click new source. And here we have Excel workbook. We can directly click on it because our data set is Excel. Okay. So I'm showing that all available connectors here. So for that I opened get data. Okay. So we can connect Excel, we can connect SharePoint, we can connect the SQL and also big data, Azure. This all we can connect. So since uh, my input file is worksheet, I am selecting Excel workbook. So I'm selecting where my Excel file is there. Before opening, it is already opened, right? I have to close this one. Okay. So select this file. So these are all the sheets available in that Excel file. Select them. You can see the sample data from right side. Select all the sheets because we wanted all the sheets to load. Okay. So now it is loading. Yeah. You have all the sheets information here. Okay. So in this report, there is no other transformation to do in these tables. So so my work with Power Query is done. So I have to load these files into the Power BI. For that, we have to click on close and apply. So after loading, you can find the data table information and columns available, headers available in that section. Okay. So now we have to know what are the about Power BI UI. So this is the data panel, and this is visualization panel. In this visualization panel, we have build visual and also format visual. This format visual for formatting the report like colors, font, this all. And here for using the existing charts for developing the charts. Okay. And even if you want, we can go for more charts, more visuals. Right. Here we have, so due to I'm using dark screen, it is not visible, but we are currently in report view and we have table view. So in that table view, you can view all the tables information, like what are the columns are there and what are the information available in it. Okay. And another one is model view. In this model view, you can find the data sets. So here Power BI automatically detect the relationships so that it is already detected after loading them. Okay. So that is due to, for example, if you don't want that part automatically recognize the relationship, you have to go to the options and settings. This is settings section for Power BI. Here we can disable it, that part. So data column types required, auto data required, import auto direct. So due to this one, it was happen. If you don't want, you have to disable and click OK. So currently already automatically applied. So if you click on this one also not for it will not work. You have to do before loading the information. Okay. Right. So here now first of all understand the data. What are the tables are there with the dim extension and fact. So dim means dimension, fact table means information table. So in dimension table, we always have a unique key. Unique key means the one column should not repeat any duplicate records. So for example, this is the unique one. So unique column. Here you will not find this number again in this data set. Okay. So that is called unique column. So from that unique column, we will connect to the fact table uh, related column like now create key to create key and geography key to geography key, employee key to employee key, like that. Okay. So this one also it automatically detected, that is fine, but for example if you have to do, we will drag and drop like this and it will connect. Okay. Or else we have to click on manage relationships, new relationship. Here we can select the tables and we have to select this one and this one. After selecting, this will come like that. Okay. And after that, we will click on OK. So that is one way also. That is another way to create relationship. Okay. Now the main part. So already we have prepared this input file. So in this input file, we have dataset overview means for about that Excel. It will tell you some information, and also in that Excel, whatever sheets are available, we have taken snip of some sample data and questions to perform. Okay. So these are all there. Now I want to take ChatGPT help to perform my task. So to do what are the next steps? So for that, we have a prompt, this one. So I am a beginner in a Power BI and have already loaded these tables into my model. And here I given what are the tables available in my Excel file. So table name, this one, this all. Okay. So that all table names I have given, and I'm going to attach a document. Which document I'm going to attach? I'm going to attach this file, input file V1. So that contains structures and images for the Power BI and also Power BI requirements. Okay. So based on that touch document, we want to provide clear step-by-step guide to the loan portfolio. We actually this is loan lending dashboard. Okay. Now the same one you also can use it for some other reports also. In that case, you will change the name of the dashboard and also tables information. Okay. So remaining all same to same. Now I will share this prompt also with you in that group. Okay. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to take a new chart now. Here, click on plus button. This is for uploading any images or documents. It will help you. Click on add photos and files and go to the folder and select input file v1. Okay. Next, we have to paste our prompt. This image given, remove that one. Just click on this button. Okay. So prompt is over. Now what it has given, what you are building, understand first. So about loan growth portability, that this all it is telling, and so it is recommending 5 pages for us: executive summary, trend analysis, geography analysis, loan structure, and risk performance. So 5 pages required. Where it is required? So here, page one, page two, page three, page four, page five. Okay. And now it is telling that data modeling. So we have to go to that model view. This is the data modeling. And let's open this manage relationships. Already we have relations. And let's check it, this relationship matching or not. Employee to dim employee. So this is from dim employee and employee key. So geography key to fact loan geography. So like that, from fact table to dimension, what are the relationship and the relationship type it has given. So we can check them, that key, and we can go with that one. Okay. So our data model already ready. So this part we tested, that is fine. And now DAX. So what it is telling, well, let's see it. We have these questions, right? So these are the questions we asked to perform. So in it, What is this one? This is for, first of all, it is asking to create a calendar. Okay, because why calendar table required? Calendar table required for when you dealing with any date related columns, we need calendar table. Okay, and we have to connect to it, connect that one with another tables. Okay, so it is telling tags and calendar table. So we have to copy this one from here, or you can copy from here. And now I need to go to the table view. So second one, and here you click on home menu, new table option. Okay, so control V. So paste that all information where from you copied from ChatGPT and press OK. So it is telling issue date not available. So I will remove that one and see it. What are the issue date? So underscore date actually. So ChatGPT will give some small mistakes. So we have to correct them. Now click on commit, ready. So our calendar table is ready. This is DAX related one. So that we can see formula bar. For others, we can't see any formula bar because per DAX only formula bar will appear. Okay. So calendar table is ready for us. Calendar came here. Now calendar table to which column we have to connect. Let's see ChatGPT given any answer for it. Connect calendar date to pack loan issue date. Pack loan issue date I. This one. Drag and drop with this one. Okay. Click on save. Now you can see the line happened. Relationship happened. Right. Create core measures. Total applications. Total funded amount. Which months of peak application volume? Okay. Highest number of loan applications. Okay. How many loan applications submitted in total? Okay. So it is taken fifth question. It is answering first fifth question. So because it will come through the order. That means whichever order is the right one, it will go through that one. Okay. Now I will create these measures. So what we can do? We can just copy this one and we can go to this one and to create measures we have to use this one. Okay. So I'm using this one. Control V. Loan ID is not correct, so that it is error is showing. So here you can see the measure. Okay. And the total funded amount, copy, new measure, Control V. So loan amount, we might have underscore. Yeah. Because due to we have supplied, 1 minute. In input file, we have supplied the packed information with a big screen with very small font sizes so that it is not recognizing well about the column names. Okay, so that we are getting some small discrepancy. Otherwise, it will give us a perfect answer for it. Okay, loan underscore amount. So like that, actually we have so many measures it has given. We have to perform that all measures because here to answer our questions, we need this all measures. We have to create it. And after that, now it came to the build dashboard section. Page one, executive summary. So I am selecting this one. So I'm not writing all the DAX because it will take some time. So I'm moving for the another one to create the visuals. So page one, page two, page three, page four, we have it. So here, double click and control V, that copied information, executive summary, report page, this one. Now insert visuals, card visuals, total applications. We have to use total applications measure. So card, what is this one? This is card. It is telling this all card. Card means card visual. See, you can see the visual name here. Okay, click on it and you will get this one. Okay, so here you can give that measure. Keep here in fields. Okay, so we got this one. So like that, remaining things, whatever we develop, we have to create a card, and again we have to click in blank and we have to go for card and another one. Okay, so like that we will do, and we have to create this all cards information, and it is asking add slicers. So slicers means this one is the slicer, and in slicer what it is asking year month from calendar, year month. So it will filter the data. Slicers are designed for filtering the data. Okay. So now it is asking column chart, bar chart, map chart. This all you can see that visuals here. You can find them here, and you have to select it, and you have to give where you have to give that information. Okay. So for example, line chart from 10 calendar month total applications. So for line chart, for cards and slicers, we have only single value here. But for some of the other charts, we will get x-axis, y-axis, and also some other fields. So it is telling axis year month, that means x-axis, year month from here, and total applications from the values, total applications. Due to we have selected this one, it is coming like that. Deselect it, you can see this one. Okay, so like that we will use this all chart. So it is telling this I have to do in page 2. Okay, these are all above all are page 1 related chart. Okay, so we can ask some sample UI for making this one also. We can ask some of the image generation. Let's ask that. Give me sample output image. Okay, so before generating this one, I will tell you about Claude also. So Claude desktop version I have downloaded here. And here, what we can do, we can connect. Actually, I'm not telling full details about the Claude. Just I want to tell you what I have done earlier. Okay. So I have connected a Power BI MCP disconnected. Okay, it was disconnected now, but so I have connected that one, and I told now connect my Power BI open file and let me know the file name. Means I already opened one Power BI report. I wanted Claude to connect that one, and I asked about the file name because it is working or not. I want to check it. So it was worked, and previously I worked loan file, so it was given that one information. So and after that I asked what are the things exist in that report. Then it has given the information about that opened Excel, opened Power BI file. Okay, and also we can ask Claude to establish the relationship. It automatically establish it without we are going there. And also it can create measures. So we don't need to do measures like what we did in earlier session now. Okay. So Claude can interact with Power BI and it can do Power Query and also data modeling and also DAX performance. This all it can do. So we have to follow that instruction like MCP server connectivity, this all. Okay. So I have done that kind of thing in Cloud. Okay. Let's see that ChatGPT done something. Yeah. See now. So we have got a sample output. Total application, total funded, total received, this all. So here how I will get some designing ideas. I will take them and I will implement them. Okay. So yeah, before going further, let me ask your feedback. How is it, guys? Yeah.